2 green leaves kills your diabetes naturally. Diabetes, often referred to by doctors as diabetes mellitus, describes a group of metabolic diseases in which the person has high blood glucose either because insulin production is inadequate or because the body cells do not respond properly to insulin. Are you fed up with treatment and daily medicines? Then go with these amazing leaves. You will get amazed with results. How to make medicine? No need to eat, no need to drink its juice. Just touch your foot palm. Yes, it is true, a different remedy for you to treat your diabetes. For this, we need 2 fresh oak leaves. Process to follow. Take 2 full leaves of oak plant. Turn opposite side, that is back side of the leaf. Place leaf under your socks to touch foot palm like shown in video. Make sure that leaf backside touching your foot palm. Place another leaf to the other leg in same process and wear socks. Allow these leaves to stay full day under your feet. Remove before going to bed and clean your legs. Repeat this process for 1 week with new leaves. After 1 week, check your blood sugar level. You will be amazed. Repeat this process until you get normal blood sugar levels. Note: don't allow oak leaves milk inside your eyes. It may damage eyesight. It should not be used during pregnancy and lactation time. By doing this regularly for 1 week, you can reduce high blood sugar levels. Curry leaves are most powerful herb in Ayurveda. It contains many useful benefits such as anti-diabetes, antioxidant, antimicrobes and anti-inflammation. The leaves are more popular in treating diabetics and known as natural remedy for diabetes. Many people think that curry leaves only serve as food additives. Most of the time, people just throw away curry leaves when they are eating their soups or curries. However, curry leaves are much more useful than just food additives. It offers many health benefits without any side effects, unlike modern drugs. Diabetes can be cured that it contains flavonoids and glycoside substance. It is also called anti-diabetic substance. Curry leaves contain a substance that can inhibit the process of breaking starch into glucose in diabetic patients. Flavonoids contained in curry leaves controls blood sugar level by affecting insulin activity. Moreover, fibers contained in curry leaves have important role to decrease blood sugar by inhibiting absorption of excessive carbohydrates. To obtain the benefits of curry leaves for diabetes, eat at least 2 to 3 young curry leaves every day with empty stomach for at least 3 months. You can add the leaves into salad. Prefer only young curry leaves. You can make juice from fresh curry leaves by blending them with some water in a blender. Drink half glass of this juice daily 1 hour before your meals for at least 40 days and notice permanent results. Do not cook the leaves because cooking process can drain all the good substance contained in the leaves. By consuming raw curry leaves every day, not only the blood sugar but cholesterol will be controlled too. This is due to the high fiber content in curry leaves. So, if you have diabetes, consuming curry leaves is a good method to control your blood sugar naturally. By following this remedy regularly, it may cure your diabetes permanently. Moringa leaves for diabetes. Moringa leaves are a rich source of many nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D and vitamin E. In fact, they have many more vitamins than the richest sources such as carrots, oranges and milk. They can be cooked and eaten in many ways. They can also be consumed as juice to treat diabetes as well as many health issues. Removes cholesterol. Moringa leaves contain fat-burning and slimming properties that nourish and energize your body. These leaves are useful to naturally stop junk food cravings and to boost energy for a healthy and active lifestyle. Lower levels of cholesterol help to reduce heart diseases and many other cardiovascular problems. Controls diabetes. One of the effective moringa leaves benefits is that it helps to control diabetes. Diabetes decreases insulin production in the affected patients. Moringa leaves provide energy without taking sugar and sugar supplements. Moringa is considered to be an herbal medicine which reduces sugar levels naturally. Take a handful of moringa leaves. Boil in 2 cups of water. Simmer the stew until it reduces to 1 cup. Strain the pulp and drink 3 times daily continuously for 1 month. Additionally, a small study in 6 diabetic patients found that adding 50 grams of moringa leaves to a meal reduced the rise in blood sugar by 21%. These effects are caused by plant compounds found in moringa leaves such as isothiocyanates. Increases lactation. Moringa leaves have many Ayurvedic properties. It is a traditional medicine which is given to nursing mothers to help to increase lactation or milk production. Fig leaves are best known for treating diabetes. Most of the remedies for the fig leaves use the sap or the milk of the sakar tree. Fig tinctures or poultices should be used immediately and fresh batches made daily. Fig leaves have antibiotic properties. The diabetic need less insulin when on a treatment of using the fig leaf extract. The diabetic should take the extract with breakfast first thing in the morning. Figs are rich in potassium and fiber, helping to stabilize the blood pressure of the body. The figs contain anti-diabetic and anti-tumor properties. They have calcium, potassium and soluble fiber which aids in the reduction of cholesterol. Fig tea is more beneficial in treating diabetes. Take 2 to 3 fresh fig leaves and boil in 1 liter of water. Allow them to boil until the water becomes 1/3 proportion. Drink this water daily instead of your tea and coffee. Consume this with empty stomach daily 1 hour before your meals. The fig fruit itself is also a good source of potassium, a nutrient that helps to control blood sugar. Fig leaves can taste bitter, so some nutritionists recommend drying fig leaves, which can be done at home, and putting them in a food processor to create a powder. A study published in the 1998 issue of Diabetes Research and Clinical Practice reported that adding fig leaves to the diet of insulin-dependent diabetics helped control high blood sugar. The name itself, we can understand that this leaves is a natural herbal insulin for diabetes patients. It cures diabetes permanently by using regularly. You can consume these leaves raw daily in the morning. If you feel bitter or you hate to consume raw, use this easy homemade recipe with insulin leaves. For this, we need homemade curd 1 cup, 2 to 3 insulin leaves, pinch of salt and pinch of pepper. Firstly, cut the insulin leaves into small pieces and put aside. Now take a cup of curd and add chopped leaves to it and mix well. Finally, add pinch of salt and pepper to the curd and mix well. You can add this amazing herbal recipe in your regular diet, and you can also drink directly daily early in the morning.
Bitter gourd leaves for diabetes. Bitter melon leaf contains a protein similar to insulin and helps the pancreas increase insulin production and thus lowers blood sugar naturally. To make this diabetes tea, you need 3 to 5 fresh bitter gourd leaves. Firstly, wash leaves and crush into small pieces and put aside. Start boiling a glass of water in a pot and add leaves to it and let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Then off the stove and leave it for a few minutes. Finally, strain the tea into a cup and drink 2 to 3 times daily before your meals. Drink bitter gourd leaf tea regularly and say goodbye to diabetes. Thank you for watching this video.
The scientific name of star fruit is Carambola fruit. It is a unique fruit because of its star-like shape and attractive flavor. Since a long time, it has been used as a traditional medicine in Brazil. Carambola fruit contains a number of health-promoting compounds such as flavonoids, alkaloids. In addition to this, the fruit also contains gallic acid, ascorbic acid. Edible portion of carambola fruit is a good source of minerals, dietary fiber and antioxidant. The roots of carambola have been used to treat diabetes. An anti-diabetic or hypoglycemic effect of carambola is due to its potent pharmaceutical activities. Treatment with carambola root extract lowered high blood sugar levels. It reduces high fasting blood sugar levels, reduces the production of glucose by the liver and increases the uptake of glucose by the muscles. Hence, more glucose is used as a source of energy and less is present in the blood. Carambola leaves also contains high amount of insoluble dietary fiber. The presence of this fiber helps to control blood sugar levels after meals. Flavonoids present in carambola serve as natural agents for diabetes control.
Thus, carambola leaves or healthy plants, compounds present in them help in the management of type 2 diabetes mellitus. Star fruit juice or tea prepared from leaves is extensively used to lower high blood sugar levels and high blood pressure. It is also stimulates the appetite and has anti-diarrheal effects. Carambola leaf extract also possesses heart protective effect. Take few fresh carambola leaves and boil in a glass of water for 5 to 10 minutes. Later, strain the water into a cup. Drink this tea regularly 2 times in a day, 1 hour before your meals for at least 30 days and observe permanent results. You can also make juice from the fresh carambola leaves for diabetes patients, which works more effectively. Take bunch of fresh carambola leaves and blend them with some water. Drink this juice daily early in the morning with empty stomach for best results. High dietary fiber contents slow down the release of glucose from starch upon digestion. It also inhibits the enzyme that converts starch into glucose during the process of digestion. Therefore, it can be suggested that carambola can be added to diabetic diet to help control blood sugar concentration. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.